Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Today is Sunday, October 14th. Unbelievable. Already the 14th of October. Time is flying. Hey, I thought we'd do a quick drive-through of Quartzsite. Been a couple weeks. Thought I'd give you a little sneak peek. The town is definitely getting busier. A lot of rigs coming in. Stores are all getting opened up. You can see more flags are along the sidewalks. I don't know if you remember. Look for the flags. It means the businesses are open. But definitely picking up. The weather here has been drop dead gorgeous. It's just been beautiful. This is probably the coolest October I ever spent here. We've had a ton of rain. Yesterday we had a deluge. It was a huge lightning storm came through here early in the morning. All the washes were flooded. I got a little bit of footage I'll show you on that. But look how crystal clean everything looks now. Real blue skies. Streets are all clean. Very unusual for October here. Alright, we're just crossing Central. That's the main intersection of Quartzsite, Main and Central. Right there on the right's the post office. Vendors are starting to set up around town, especially the seasonal guys, the guys that are here from October through April. They're all starting to set up. Not a single RV dealer yet. None of them guys have set up. Little four-wheeler here just kind of putting along. But that's a way to get around. You can go out in the desert and really have some fun. There are just hundreds and hundreds of miles of trails, places to get away in a four-wheeler. Alright, here's the business district. You got Pilot on the left, a huge truck stop. Then all the downtown buildings here. Mainly gem and rock, that kind of stuff. That Addicted to Deals closed up. He's no longer. On the left, that green building there is a restaurant. They just opened recently, so there's more than McDonald's. The jerky place on the left. Gem World just opened. They are open for business now. That's a huge building full of stuff. Alright, let's make a left. We'll go on the other side. We'll run down to Tyson Wells. Okay, this is crossing over Interstate 10. This is exit 17 here. There's two exits for Quartzsite, 17 and 19. That one there's 17. Alright, to the right's Dome Rock Road. This here is Quail with a K. This is where all the showgrounds are located on this road here. Kind of runs parallel with the freeway. On the right there, that's Desert Gardens. There's a few vendors starting to set up. There they sell mainly all the bulk rock. I mean, it's just in 55-gallon drums. It's just massive quantity from all over the world. It's pretty cool. Once they get fully open, it's something to see. Alrighty, we're coming up on Tyson Wash. This was all flooded yesterday and whoops. It's still closed off. This has been closed off since yesterday morning. Looks like the water's going down, but it's still running. That's amazing. There's a mass of water that came through here. Alrighty, can't go through, gotta go around. Get turned around here. I'll go around Main Street and go back around, and I'll show you Tyson Wells. I really wanted to show you what Tyson Wells looked like real quick. All right, I'll be back. All right, go back across the freeway. You can see gas, it's right around $3 a gallon. They keep changing it between $2.93 to $2.99. Diesel's way up there too. Okay, now we're heading west on Main Street. Get another view of it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. The flag guy that actually sells all the flags is set up right in there. Pretty cool. All right. Okay, this is Central. We're going to make a right on Central. We're going to go back across the freeway. There's no exit here. Central, this is actually Highway 95, Arizona 95. Goes from Parker all the way down to Yuma. Okay, now this is the other end of Quin. This is the main intersection, Central and Quin, where all the showgrounds are. Prospectors to the left, which absolutely no one's there yet. On the right is Tyson. And up here on the left is Tyson. But you can see vendors are setting up. These are the seasonal guys. These are guys that'll be here till April. Then up here is Tyson's main office. And I see the road's closed. See them cars turning around? It's still closed. Alright, well, let's get turned around. I'm going to head back to the motorhome. Get back there. When I edit this out, I'm going to put some footage of yesterday's flooding. The storms yesterday is what you'd see in a monsoon or late, like in December or January. Really intense. Everything was flooding. It was just a wall of water that come down. Plus in the desert, nothing drains or soaks in. It just runs. Alright, this is still Quin. Gonna make a left up here. And we'll go back across the freeway again. Several old time RV parks down there. Really old ones. Now this one here, this is exit 19. At the other end it was 17, this is 19. This is the best exit to take when you come to Quartzsite, is 19. Alright, we'll head back here to where I got the motorhome parked for the season. This is the east end of Quartzsite. It's a lot quieter here and a lot nicer to stay. Alright, this is East Quail Trail. You can see to the right is the desert. Nothing out there. That's state land, I believe. And right there on the left, there's my motorhome and the trailer. All set up. Alright, this is called Arizona Sun RV Park. I'll do another video on this place. This ain't the one today, but I'll show it to you. No one's really here yet. Okay, home sweet home. There's the trailer. I'm going to take that out here shortly. I forgot to tell you something. I got a van. Check it out. Got it about 3 days ago. Look at that thing, huh? 2008 Ford E150. If you followed me long enough, you knew I used to have a van similar to this, and I really missed it. So I got me another one. The Expedition worked out good for a while, but it needs to go bye-bye. I just didn't care to haul the trailer with it and all that. So it's back in a van. Also, in 2 weeks is a van build. I'll be featuring this thing. I'm going to put solar on it, everything you can think of. Check out the inside. Still got the seats in it. It's pretty good condition. Sat for a long time. Runs okay. It'll be a fun project. Solar and everything on there. Not bad, huh? Don't forget, van build November 1st. Alright, I'm going to get on the computer. I will be back shortly. First off, we had a tornado yesterday. This was about 3 miles from me. Spotted it. And this is under high-powered zoom. It dissipated the time I got too close to it. I was parked along the 95 out there filming that. I actually had a tornado. It's not like when you get back east, but it goes from the clouds to the ground. Guess what? Tornado. Then over on Plymouth by the cop shop. Plymouth and Mockingbird. Little wash. This one always floods when it rains heavy. But you can see, and that was just in a couple hours that water came up. And here's the wash. This one goes all the way through town, north to south. This is the one that is down by Tyson Wells. It runs all the way north out of the town. It's called Tyson Wash, but look at it. I've seen it a lot worse through the years, but it's up there. And all this came up within a couple hours after a heavy, heavy rain. There you go. Alright, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. I will talk to you real soon. Take care, all.